I think throughout his life, we've, just as any other parent of a child with autism, we've seen that it's difficult for the child to be integrated into society. There's exclusion, marginalization, and difficulty in introducing him to social situations where certain behavior may be expected that he's not complying to. Tantrums and meltdowns as well, if he's frustrated at something, become very difficult to cope with and harder as he gets older. He's now in his teens. He feels everything that a teenage boy will feel, the hormones and the sensations of growing into an adult. But it's difficult for him to express what he needs. Access to education has been difficult. Mainstream education is out, but even in special classes, we've had the experience that so many parents have had where he's just been thrown out, or rejected before even starting. And that's one of the reasons we ended up deciding we need to start our own center, an educational and therapeutic center for these children like my son.